Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a topic named as how to find the factors. Dear student, this topic mainly related to 5th standard and today we are going to discuss. Dear student, here two methods are there by which we can find the factors of a particular number. Dear students, the first method is multiplication method and second is division method. Okay, as we can identify from the word multiplication, it means we need to use the multiplication process to find the factors in this way. Okay, and in this method, it means by division method, we have to use the division sign and division process to find the factors. Dear student, actually these two methods are related to each other, but there is only difference to write the pattern. What is the main difference? That's we are going to identify here. Okay students, I have taken one number 60. Now I am going to start how to find the factors of this number. Okay, for this purpose and in this method, dear student, firstly we have to see is the given number is a multiple of 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, like this way. Okay, now as we know 60 is a multiple of 1, also we can say that like this, 160 is a 60. Okay, and 60 is multiple of 2 also. Okay, for this purpose you may do the work in rough form also. If directly you cannot identify, see the number of which I want to find the factors, that is 60. Now I am going to divide 60 with 2. 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 zeros are 0, means answer is coming 30. It means 60 is a multiple of 2 and we are getting here 30. It means 2 30s are 60. Okay, dear students, here I want to tell what is the meaning of factors and multiples. Dear students, when we factorize any number, which parts of that particular number we get, these parts are known as the factors. As we are observing here, 60 is a multiple of 1 and 60 is a multiple of 60 also. Okay, because 61 is 60, we can say that. It means after multiplying 60 with 1, we shall get 60. That's why 60 is a multiple. But 1 and 60 are the factors of 60. In the same way here, 60 is working a multiple of 30 and 2 also, but 2 and 30 are the factors. Okay, dear students, we are observing here also to write the factors of 60 here. I am also using the division process. That's why I have already told in the beginning of this lesson, these two methods are related to each other. Now we have to check, is 60 a multiple of 3 or not? Okay, for this purpose we have to go in rough. Just see here, we have to divide 60 with 3. 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 zeros are 0. It means we are getting 20. 3 20s are 60 or 23s are 60, having the same meaning. Now we have to check, is 60 is a multiple of 4 or not. See, for this purpose again we have to divide 60 with 4. 4 1s are 4, 2, 0 comes down, 4 5s are 20. It means we are getting 15. 4 15s are 60, or you may say 15 4s are 60. Now we have to check, is 60 a multiple of 5 or not? 5. For this purpose we have to divide 60 with 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 0 comes down, 5 2s are 10. We are getting 12. It means 5 12s are 60 or 12 5s are 60. Okay, now we have to check on the next number, that is 6. Is 60 a multiple of 6 or not? For this purpose we have to divide 60 with 6. 6 1s are 6, 0 comes down, and again you can say that 6 zeros are 0, we can say that. It means we are getting 10. 6 10s are 16. After that you can proceed, but you have to remember one thing, we have to avoid the repetition. Like here I am writing 6 10s are 60. If you write 10 6 they are 60, having the same meaning. That's why don't write that particular pattern. Okay, it means now here, dear students, we have found already all the factors of 60. Now we have to write. Listen carefully how we have to write. The factors of 60 are. Now I am going to identify from here. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. No, after 6, 10, then 12, then 15, then 20, then 30, and at the last we have to write, you may write here, 60. Dear students, as we know, 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. That concept also we are involving in this topic. Okay, now dear students, I hope you have got. With the help of this process, you can write the pattern to find the factors, and you can write the factors like this way. Now dear students, now we have to find the factors of 60 by which method? Okay, dear students, in the beginning of this lesson, I have already told to you that these two methods are related to each other. Here we are observing, when we multiply 60 with 1, we shall get 60, and when we multiply 30 with 2, then we get 60. It means when we divide 60 by 2, we shall get 30. The same pattern we have to use here. See carefully. 60 divided by 1. 60 divided by 1, what we shall get? 60. Okay. 60 divided by 2, we shall get 30. 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. 60 divided by 3, we shall get 20. 60 divided by 3, we shall get 20. 60 divided by 4, we shall get 15. 60 divided by 4, we shall get 15. But if you are doing only this process division method, you can use the rough process also there. Like here, first you have divided 60 with 1, then on 2, then on 3, then on 5. But just imagine, if the given number is not divisible by any particular number, you can skip that number and go through the next one. Okay, now you can use rough work also. Like here, 60, I am dividing 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 2, 0 comes down, 4 5s are 20. Okay, it means when I divide 60 with 4, I get 15. That I have noted here. Okay, in the same way you have proceed. Now I am going to divide 60 with 5. What will happen? See carefully. 60 we have to divide with 5. 5 ones are 5. When you subtract 5 from 6, you will get 1, 0 comes down. 5 2s are 10. Okay, it means when you divide 60 with 5, you will get 12. Like this, you may use the rough work also besides this. Now, at last, we have to divide 60 with, when you divide 60 with 6, you will get 10. Or you may do like this, when you divide 60 with 10, you will get 6. But you have to follow this particular sequence, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it will help you to avoid the mistakes and the confusions to find the factors of any number. Now we have to divide 60 with 6. Obviously what we shall get? 10. You may use the rough work also. See carefully. Okay. 6. 6 1 6 0. 6 zeros are 0. It means I am getting 10. Okay. Now dear students, again we have to write the factors of 60 now. Okay. Here we have to write the factors of 60. I have already noted. After completing this process, you have to write this conclusion also. But you will get the same factors. You can match here. Factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 10, then 12, I have noted, then 15, then 20, then 30, then 60, 20, 30, 60. Dear students, like this way you can find the factors. Again I want to tell, you must keep in your mind this thing that these two methods are related to each other and there is a little bit difference only in the writing way. Otherwise we are using the relationship of these two concepts, multiply and division, here to find the factors. Dear students, I hope you have cleared this skill and now you are able to implement this method in the problems which are already present in your textbook. Thanks for watching.